If Discord is crashing with a fatal JavaScript error, don't worry. In this video, I'll show you a quick and effective fix step by step. This issue is usually caused by corrupted app files or broken cached data. And the good news is you can often solve it in just a few minutes without needing advanced technical skills. If this tutorial helps you, be sure to hit the like button, subscribe for more simple tech fixes, and let's jump right in. First, we need to make sure Discord is completely closed. Press Ctrl, Shift, and Escape on your keyboard to open Task Manager. Once it opens, look through the list of running processes for anything named Discord. If you see more than one Discord process, right-click each one and choose End Task. This is important because Discord can keep running in the background even when the window looks closed, and we want to fully stop it before making any changes. Next, we're going to remove the corrupted local files that may be causing the error. Press the Windows key and the R key together to open the Run dialog box. In the box, type %appdata%, then press Enter. This will take you to your AppData roaming folder. Find the folder named Discord, right-click it, and select Delete. Don't worry, this will not delete your Discord account, only the local app files stored on your computer. After that, open the Run dialog box again by pressing Windows key and R. This time, type %localappdata% and press Enter. When the folder opens, look for another folder named Discord. Right-click that folder and delete it as well. This step helps remove damaged cache, settings, and temporary files that may be triggering the fatal JavaScript error each time Discord tries to launch. Now that the old files are removed, the next step is to reinstall Discord cleanly. Go to the official Discord download page and download the latest Windows installer. It's always best to use the official website so you get the most current and secure version. Once the installer finishes downloading, locate the setup file, right-click it, and choose Run as Administrator. Running it with administrator permissions helps prevent installation issues and make sure Discord can properly rebuild the missing files. Let the installation complete, then open Discord again and sign in. In many cases, this fresh install is enough to fix the fatal JavaScript error and get everything working normally again. If Discord opens successfully, that means the corrupted app data was most likely the cause. If you're still having trouble after following these steps, try restarting your PC and launching Discord one more time. Sometimes a full system reboot helps clear anything that's still stuck in memory. You can also make sure your Windows updates are current, because missing system updates can sometimes interfere with apps like Discord. And that's it. You've now learned how to fix the Discord fatal JavaScript error by ending active processes, deleting corrupted app data folders, and reinstalling Discord cleanly from the official download page. If this video saved you time, please give it a like, subscribe for more helpful tutorials, and share it with anyone else who's running into the same issue. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.